Welcome to Betty Channel.
My daily routines. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. I wash your face. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I pick up my school bag and leave the house. I wait for the bus to come. I get to school at 8 a.m. I attend classes until it's time for lunch. I wash my hands. I have lunch in the school. After lunch, I have recess. I go to the afternoon classes. I leave school and get home. I have a snack. I play games with my friends. I ride a bike. I start my homework. I help my mother with housework. I take a shower. I and my family have dinner together. I always brush my teeth before I go to bed. I go to bed. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. See you next time.